So for meal one, I'm having 2 slices of toast, 2 slices of bacon, about 83 grams of avocados, and 5 whole eggs. And I'm also having about 100 grams of frozen blueberries. So that's meal one. This is so cliche, avocado toast, but I love it, so we're doing it. It is Sunday and time to refill my pill container for the week. So I take quite a bit of supplements, starting off with Shilajit. Take 1 pill of that a day. And then we got the vitamin D3, 1000 IUs. I take 2 of those a day though, so I take 2000 IUs. Oops. And then got ashwagandha. I also take 1 capsule a day. Yeah, so 1 capsule a day of ashwagandha. And then don't forget zinc. That's a must. Oh, I'm almost done too. Tonga Ali. Tonga Ali. Yeah. 1 capsule a day of that as well. Fish oil.
Yeah, it's fish oil.
Yeah.
Daddy, that's all yours?
That's all mine, yeah.
Oh.
And then a multivitamin.
Yeah, Daddy.
And last but not least, vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 and vitamin D3 together, but this time I just happened to, I didn't see it like that, so I ended up buying it separately.
Daddy?
Yes.
What's it?
So that's that for the daytime pills, and then switch to the nighttime, which all I do for night before bed is magnesium bisglycinate. Helps me sleep, helps me relax, and it actually works really well. It's the only thing I found that helps me sleep. I have a lot of trouble sleeping, so this stuff here. I've tried melatonin, but it doesn't really work as good as this stuff. And for that one, I just pour it in there because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what day. It's a nighttime thing only, so I just fill up these little containers. You open it up, pour it out just like that.
Daddy, you
Yeah.
gonna eat it?
No, I'm gonna drink it. It helps me.
Dada.
I'm gonna drink it.
Okay.
Oh, this one I forgot. That's an antibiotic because I'm sick right now.
Oh, sick right now?
Yeah, you made me sick with your cold.
Yeah. You?
You sick too?
Oh, yeah.
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 So for meal 2, I had one of my favorite snacks, a protein banana smoothie. I added 267 grams of whole milk, 102 grams of frozen bananas, 40 grams of protein, 16 grams of peanut butter, and some cinnamon powder. Absolutely delicious for only 509 calories. So meal 3 is chicken stir fry over rice. I'm having 200 grams of pre-cooked chicken breast, 250 grams of jasmine rice cooked, 185 grams of frozen veggie mix, and 30 grams of olive oil for a total of 875 calories. This is one of my favorite meals. It's pretty easy to make. I use pre-cooked chicken that I get from Walmart. The reason I do it, it's easy. It's fast and easy. And I also use frozen vegetables because it lasts longer. But yeah, this is one of my favorite meals. I also added a little bit of teriyaki sauce to it for a little bit of flavor, as you can see, and it turned out great. So it is now time for my post-workout meal. Right here I've got 3 rice cakes with 88 grams of avocado and a scoop and a half of a protein shake. So I'm gonna eat that, some quick digesting carbs, some fats, and then head to the gym. Now for the final meal of the day, my post-workout meal, I've got 200 grams of ground beef and 2 110 grams of baked potato, and I've just mixed it in there. Yeah, so that's my post-workout meal so far today. My goal is 3,200 calories daily. I've surpassed that, so by 64. So my total calories for the day is 3,264 calories. I'll make sure to put the macros on the screen for the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.